So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Zangi number for WhatsApp. Now, in order to use these two, there's going to be some sort of third-party tool or some way for you to link the two, because you can't really use Zangi on your WhatsApp since they require different things. So on WhatsApp, you are going to be required to use your regular number that's connected to your SIM card, but on Zangi that feature isn't there. So on Zangi you can just use your regular number. So this regular number that you receive from Zangi, it's not connected to your SIM, and it's a specific username of sorts for you to use the app. So it's going to be your number, your specific number to that app, while on WhatsApp you're going to be using your SIM card number. So this is the difference, but what you can do is to go to share on here. So click this arrow pointing to the right, and on there you're going to see WhatsApp as an option. So once you're here, you can see WhatsApp as an option, so you can share your specific Zangi ID number to your WhatsApp contacts and then use those two as a way to invite people to use Zangi and to chat with you on Zangi. So it's a bit different from WhatsApp. Essentially, they are communication apps, but you have to use your SIM number, while on Zangi you get your specific number that you can use, and you can share it with other people by clicking on shared on WhatsApp, and then they can join you on Zangi. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Zangi or some other topics that might interest you. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.